it's me Lucky Bramhe from Madhya Pradesh. I am happy to share my journey with aviation, which may be helpful to develop my knowledge in the field of networking. I have purchased CCNA networking course from aviation. My experience with the institute was just superb. The support team is always available, ensuring smooth progress through courses. Aviation is an excellent choice for anyone seeking to enhance their skill in IT domain and other tech field. Today I got job offered in future business tech with a good salary package. Highly recommended for continuous learning and support. I would like to thank aviation team for their constant support. Thank you so much.